Kum shiban taban plilat plinti yaki samla bikin nang man pentibet yaladi haki core komputer kakong generosi kriem hakastantarik unaitung araja arpusaw kala plipat ba eka jaka puli hadam sanyong. Hagadi kasngi lay don lang daw ba EL hack WMLA kapenthorum kra kumukongsan uba prang warjari rang ba snong kanong mensong uba RS Nongbri Assistant Director MSME u Earning Store R Sangma Assistant Manager DIC kakong Rose Alba Bina Kriem retired DGM SBI Halor kiway pat. Kani kejaka ay Jinghikai kadairu ha kajingatray lang bat ka Ayushman Foundation.
So today, the 5th of July,
Wish me luck.
because today will be remembered forever for me because today this center, it is coincident with my daughter's birthday. Congratulations. It's like my baby on me. Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Good, very good. Thank you so much. So I thank the G Technology, G Cream, for taking this initiative to start this G Technology here at Demseiñīong, to create employment, not only to create employment, to make the employer at the same time to create employability. Thank you so much for the initiative you have taken to create more employment and more advanced technology for the benefit of our people to developments of our states. I really appreciate both the group, both Ayushman and also from the G Technology. You are giving this kind of, imparting the knowledge of the technology to others. But I want those who are coming to take the tuition here or the training here or whatever you are going to take the classes here, take ownership. Many of us, they never take ownership. We are coming only just for the sake of learning. Neither it will help the institution, nor it will help to the person who is going to take the study here. If we don't take the ownership, you don't take the accountability, you will not going to be perfect whatever the work you are doing in life. We need to take the accountability. The ownership you need to take. Take it as your own. Not belong to Kongji, Kriem, belong to the Ayushman, Ayushman Rajarika or anybody. Whenever you are coming to this institution, take ownership.
Ngila Plie ka computer mit Shah Arbunod Road House nem Arjar R. Te ha to kapor te ngari tang counselor. Ngarang khna arang de tang running 22 years. Te ngam padon experience ban padatik bahas phanga computer. Te suki from ngari na science background ne na computer background. Te dangala tray kumtu namal bangala ya thok loy te ngala tray no baripa ong yang pen pet lang penyerap lang ya ka business te nga tray kum ka counselor. Te suki pat ngala kendo iki student man ka singi ngai iman ka singi ki hikai gitu ki faculty ki MCA gold medalist na Calcutta ngi recruitment ki brew ki babit namal ka package ko zongi ka de na Hyderabad under Department of Atomic Energy ucheman jongi de Abdul Kalam tu Balakhlan. Te nang to ngila continue with the business te ngila ju impart training ba pair kum kani ki computer aided design ngila I training tangi kini ki civil engineer na po polytechnic house name R1000 lai arjar saw hatu ki por paddan patip kamut yu kata ka CAT no computer aided design kadi ka course dapat ta kini ki engineers civil engineers te ki students bawan ha po institute jongi machwa ki dei bha na po polytechnic civil engineers te hadin ang tong i play ki courses ba pair kum ki short term course na mata ki khna bal school rungi don but ni play ru ka diploma courses ru na mata ki khna ki balale college ru te ki package bangi hikai mangi kalong software ka bakon thuplang ka Microsoft Office package ba ki use normally ha po office tengi ailang kani ka desktop publishing course ibangi ka DTP hakani ka courses pa deng hikai gi khna kum numun ki design ya letterhead ki logo ki visiting card ki invitation card te kini ki training i ai misha technical training ki khna house na do ikti por cinema jar ar te nang tang hikai ru ye kini ki courses jong hardware kumno ban kin le assemble kumno ban kin assemble ki machine te da kado ka machine kumno ban kin shna kumno ban kin le troubleshooting maintenance te installation of software nang tang hikai ru ki na ban shna software ru te ngai iba kat ki courses bangi hikai mangi te kawan ra benefit shisha gi khna because they are implementing the knowledge that we are imparting. The main aim kadai katahi te ka jing thmu jongaru ka long kumta kai nga sotunat bangan ya deal bat ki khna I have life from them ngayo jingim na ki staff, and then it was a very good life, and nga shimru ka opportunity ba ipai ai pnyat yanga te nga la shimi ka opportunity ba and what the schemes because ban trebi de ka package of company ngi yapnong te nga ile kumno nga yit lat ilenti kumno bangan seng de jongla jongben institute jongla jongben ndi ba hap siu pisai gi company la ni ka government or semi government or whatever te nga wat jing tip nang ta ngan sa sdanggen man le hi namar badon kam edin ko ni ka registration nga shimru ka opportunity ru ban inaugurate because ladanga inaugurate par ka khamba nga khamrang ba amta nga so it's not easy in one day for people to know the center tara nga shim ka lat ban khot gi media so that lagani pade long kumta kin ki student zonga barem ru ki bala yit yanga ka por pom dan show kadno ki phone ki kemau ban ngam kwa baka kam jonga ka bala tri shitom mun shuar ka umse pla jong bakan shuja em ka keteng sa ana yo kita kadaw nga kermen balani syakmat la kan ne bethi bat kan yat bet bat ngan la shu banyarap ye kini ki khna ka syakani ka than pinang ba de kila nang ani ka technology pade kala sup pade ki kalat ban wat kamai ni taman wat kamai hadu ki barit variation long kondong lu mata ber khoi la online te pikwa khai jul pikwa khai e ru mata export import la don ber khoi akwai ki belong well equip akani ka technology khnang ba namar ba kim dan kam shu ban shu try tang physically they can do something with the knowledge bang impart himla ban ai lu barok khoi ru tang ba what is required te kat kum ka qualification jongki we will try a level best ki courses se ki deina do ki class ta do class 8 class 9 nu la lai ban ai mar kat ki courses bang hi kai mangi ru la don utha emboss syllabus emboss bade ki hai ke shisnem hi kai hamni bade ngi shila master ngi la hi kai bi shibna arbna ya ka to course ba ki hi kai ma ki ma la hi kai te school bi te kamde ra ka course ka ba en jo emboss te kadan ki courses nam ta ki class school kadan ki courses nam ta ki class 11 12 la ka jom ki web designing ki don ki hardware ki don ki networking ki don te ki bakwa le ki ne ki diploma ro ki don nam ta ki ba pass degree ki don ki diploma courses ro te as of now te nga kwa hi ban concentrate ya ka technical depending upon the pet ki jing suknat jong ki khna ru te ai ba ki kwa ban le don teng ki kwa ban learn technical don ba ki ba thai technical ko ki thai ki thai technical ki shin jang ki kwa technical ko
Habatin pet bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangi bam duna ki eki batte ye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang ka dot pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pindon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya